Welcome to the daily report from FIBO Group. My name is Yuri Tsihus. On Thursday, the Asian session will open with the index of retail sales in Australia, with traders paying close attention to the Australian dollar. This index has significant importance as it shows the change in retail sales throughout Australia. The index has shown an increase in the last 6 months, and a continuation of this trend may give a boost to the Aussie dollar. Expected volatility is 40-50 points for these statistics. The main focus on Thursday will be the interest rate from UK and Eurozone. The rate is 0.5% in UK, kept since 2010, which motivates the economy to growth in the long term. In addition, more than once there was an issue of its growth from the regulator on the background of economic growth in UK. Therefore, attention of the market can be quite high. Volatility of trading can be from 30 to 40 points. Also on Thursday will be the decision on interest rates from ECB. The euro has been on a steady decline against the US dollar, and if the announcement does not meet traders' expectations, this trend may continue. We expect volatility in 20-40 points after release of this news. To sum up, Thursday we can expect some volatility in European session as traders await the interest rate decision from the ECB. The numbers coming out of Australia should really give a boost to the Asian session. Thank you and have a great day.